So right now my camera is actually broken. For the pro video, these are usable, these are usable, but as soon as I go to photos, it's not gonna work. So yeah, this is the problem. So what I do is I go over here, I click on take selfie, because my front camera is still working. Yep, so that's how I enter the camera and enter into pro mode. So and I change one setting over here. So what I did is settings to keep and camera mode. Yep. And then yeah, I guess that's it. So whenever I close in this mode, let's say, it still opens in pro. It doesn't change automatically to photos, which is gonna crash my camera. So what happened to my camera is, like, I dropped it, I threw my mobile and it got cracked. The back of the back glass got cracked, and I think it hit really hard at the part where the camera is. The camera glass is intact, but still maybe inside the motherboard there's some dust or some issues, because of the shock or vibration maybe. So that's why the camera is not working right now. So yeah, that's what's going on with it right now.